Pain is a huge global burden. There's a kind of an idea that at some point in our lifetime, 40% of the global population will feel chronic pain. I think the turning point where I got interested in pain was because I was in the US during the opioid crisis. This was killing millions of people every year. I needed to do something where I can have actual impact on the quality of people's lives. In HZI, I'm leading a research group which is called PAIN, Pathways in Infection and Nozizeption. And here we will be looking at how viruses interact with nerves. I coined this term nocifection. Noci comes from the word nociception, which is another word for pain, and fection comes from infection. Our nerves can be compared to a cable or a wire. And here we have different types of nerves. Some are insulated. This is for light touch, like feather-like touch. And there are some which causes pain, which are not insulated. What I want to do is to see when the viruses attack the nerves, which one do they prefer and how do they interact with each types of nerves. If we understand that, then we can stop the pain. The idea is we want to look at it from all different angles. So the major technologies that I use are electrophysiology to look at function, proteomics to look at what are the proteins that are driving the function, and at the very end I use animal models to see how everything comes together, because as humans we rely on how it affects our daily life, which is through behavior. I was always interested in doing translational studies, and the name is super catchy, human, which means we are doing something for people and not restricting ourselves to the bench only. So I'm very much looking forward to collaborating with people at HZI, the proteomics facility, the new group leaders. Also, I have established collaborations with people at the Max Delbruck Center, the Hannover Medical School, and also neuroscience department at TU Braunschweig. My expectation from the HUMAN program is that I will grow as a scientific leader where I can help the next generation of scientists to achieve not just academic research excellence, but also their potential as a person overall.